Number 1, shake out your arms and legs, wake the body up. Number 2, reach up tall and stretch your entire body. Number 3, hinge forward slightly, loosen your back. Number 4, rotate your arms backward, then forward. Number 5, side bends to open your core and ribs. Number 6, step wide and shift your weight side to side. Number 7, ankle and calf movement, stay light. Number 8, slow body circles, stay relaxed. Number 9, inhale deep, exhale slow, control your breath. Number 10, warm up complete, you're ready to train.